For me, it's a good tradition, you understand, because you use your fight to prove yourself.
You are playing with someone.
To me, it's an insult to say it is barbaric. I feel I'm insulted. If it is barbaric, it means people who practice that are barbarians. And if I practice my own culture and you say I'm barbaric, then I feel like offended.
This is where it happens. This is where it happens. Guys from Chifu, they will stand here, and guys from Gaba will stand on the other side.
Main important, aspect of this boxing is that it brings about discipline and respect.
We use this very same ground where the blood of our ancestors have also touched the ground.
Then if you want to prove yourself that I'm not a coward, fight, man. Engage in fist fighting and prove yourself. But at the end of the day, it's friendship. You're not here to kill anyone. You just play.
I learned not to be controlled by fear when I was fighting. They don't say, I'm still teaching. They say, I'm still fighting.
You don't have to use a knife if you want to fight someone. You don't have to use a gun if you want to fight someone. You have to come here and prove yourself.